Hi, traders. I am back. I know I said that I would zip my lips until I got to $1,000 on my challenge account, my Apex evaluation. No, I haven't done that. However, I just decided that I wanted to be a little bit more consistent with reporting my stats and reporting my journey, and I just had to swallow my pride. So I figured I would go ahead and give you all a little update while I narrate this trade that I took today. So, anyhow, what you all are seeing now is post FOMC from today, February the 7th. This is after the FOMC announcement. So I did see a continuation trade set up. As you can see, we had the new low pullback to the 9 EMA, and I did get an entry. So it's kind of slow. I did speed it up a little bit, at least one and a half the speed to kind of push it along a little bit. But it looks like the entry is just about to happen. All right, so there it is. The entry happened this short. And as you'll see, boom, there was so much volatility, it knocked me right out. So, anyway, I'll just say that I was really just fighting back and forth on this account. This evaluation was down probably over $300. So, after FOMC, I pretty much jumped in, jumped out of some trades. I mean, obviously, the trade that you just saw was a valid continuation trade. However, probably this next trade is not. It's probably nothing that really has that much of a name to it. It actually might be a short off the 21 simple moving average. I think that's what it ended up being because I still ended up trying to follow these candles up for a short, and I think it's going to stop at the 21 moving average. But anyhow, I'll just continue to update you. Oh, what is it? All right, so that's right. It did go up to the 21 moving average. So it looks like I do get another entry. So basically, like I said, this is just me just trying to get the account back in a decent shape. For whatever reason, I'm just stuck at this 800 point, and I haven't really been able to go much over the 800 point. So, what usually happens is because you all see I'm taking nice trades, but I have multiple evaluations. So, it's like I'll start out on some other evaluations, and of course, all the good trades go on those evaluations. And then by the time I get to my challenge account, I'm I'm probably just not taking the best setup on it. So I really need to make some adjustments with that. I think today I really got a chance to just look and see, okay, what does it mean to take the best setup? What does it mean? Because I actively saw myself on the crude oil trade that I posted earlier. Okay, this is a great setup. This is a great setup. I'm about to take this trade. But why didn't I say, oh, let me do this on my Apex Challenge evaluation? They're all evaluations, but for instance, the evaluation that I took So, for instance, the evaluation that I took the best setup on was an evaluation that was already down. So it just seems like that's what I end up doing. The evaluation that's already down, that's down by $300, $400, then I come along and take a good setup on. Well, then the evaluation that I'm up on, then I end up taking a bad setup on that. Or my special challenge account, I end up taking a bad setup. So I really need to be more intentional with, okay, this is my best setup. Let me put it on this Apex Challenge account so that I can get this particular account over the hump rather than just taking random setups on random accounts. So that's pretty much all I have. Hope everybody's doing well, and I hope everybody's trading is going well. See you next time.